Welcome. If you want to connect Bluetooth device to your HAFURY Note 10, for the first you have to open the notification bar, click on the Bluetooth icon, and after that click and hold it. Right now we are in the Bluetooth settings, and we have to do the same on the second device that we want to connect. So in my case I'm going to use the smartphone. Click here to pair new device, and I got here my Huawei P30 Pro, so you have to tap on the device that you want to connect. Accept the pair on the both smartphones, and as you can see right now, smartphones are paired and they are currently connected. So that's how it looks. Thank you guys for watching. Leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.